What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to solve this inequality. It's going to be awesome. And guess what? Bonus work, bonus. We're going to graph it on a number line too. I love me some two-part problems. Woo! Let's get after it. All right. First things first. We're going to solve this thing just like an equation. There's only one little stipulation as far as the solving is concerned that's different from an equation. If I ever multiply or divide by a negative number, I have to flip the inequality around. That's it. All right. So we'll be on the lookout for that. So for 2x plus 1 is less than 17, I'm going to subtract 1 first. And I'll get 2x is less than 16. Now I can divide by 2 on both sides, and I'm going to get x is less than 8. All right, so I'm ready to graph this thing. I'm going to drop a line. Usually what we'll do is we'll throw down a 0 in the center, and then since I've got 8, I'll make that an 8 right here. Now, it's x is less than 8. Not equal to, but less than. So what we do for that is we draw an open circle, and then we will go less than. It actually points in the direction you're supposed to go, which would be that way. Boom, we are done. Now, it only points in the direction you're supposed to go with the number line if you have the x on the left-hand side. So whenever I'm solving these, regardless of x being positive or negative or anything like that, I always shoot to have that on the left-hand side so that it always points where I want, and I won't make that little mistake, all right? You'll see some teachers like to graph things like this, where you have your 0 still, you have your 8, and then they'll throw this and they'll arrow up and over just so it's easier to see what direction you're going. So sometimes people will do that. Or you may also see it done like this. Open, and then people will scribble like that to show that it's going in that particular direction. All right? I think I might be pointing backwards here. I don't know. All right. That's it for that one. Hope you guys loved it. It was great. It was fantastic. Remember, open circle because it's not equal to, and the arrow points in the direction that it'll go as long as your x is on the left-hand side. All right, deuces, dogs.